Up next, we have datasketch. So JP and David will be joining us.
Maybe.
Hello.
Oh,
yeah,
there's
I'm here.
JP. That is him.
How are you?
I've hung out with JP before, and that is JP. JP, over to you.
All right. How are you? Let me share my screen. I'm JP. I'm the founder of datasketch. I'm here with David, CTO. Are you watching my screen now? Yes. Okay. All right. So I'm a data scientist myself. We've seen that there are not enough data scientists, and at the end of the day, we have a lot of small data that we need to process. So David and I, we have been working on democratizing data science. That means democratizing data itself. With datasketch, users can have their own profile and upload and share different data sets, charts, and maps. We have custom branding options and even a recommendation engine for data visualizations. And so if you want, you can follow us on Twitter and maybe can help us getting some feedback on our tools. So demo time, this is Redwood page. I was curious about these startups. And so as I do often, I started building a spreadsheet, which you can see here. Here are some of the companies that are using Redwood. Let me just download this. And go to datasketch. You can go here, create an account, get your user. And I created the user for Redwood JS, datasketch.co. You see the organization doesn't have any data sets or visualization, so let's fix that. I go into Redwood's profile. I go into databases, create. And then these are Redwood JS startups. This is the file I just downloaded. And let's create a database. It's creating the tables, database ready. And here you see the data that I just uploaded. I can just go here, and we recently added the option for including images. So let me just add our logo here. Right, there is. Let's save some changes. And now I want to share this database. I can share it as a table, or let's share it as a list. I can get to choose which columns I want to share. Let's say the company and the country. Copy the clipboard. Let's go to CodePen and paste this right here. And then I see the database that I just uploaded with different widgets that you can use to embed in your own web page. If we go back to the databases, we see that we have startups, but we also have an API for data scientists like me that can load our own library. Then if I go here, I can see which databases I have uploaded under the Redwood JS organization. I can read this database, and you see I get the data. Let me just go to GitHub's API. And we just got the top contributors for Redwood JS. And I just go here and upload database. And we go back to our list of startups. Then now we see the list of databases. Now we see the contributors. If I go back here, now I have the list of contributors to Redwood JS right in my profile that I can, maybe I shouldn't edit this. So let's just restrict edits from this database. And now that I have this data here, I can just go back and maybe do some charts. So if you go to datasketch, you have a marketplace, and then you have different apps that you can use. If we go to the simple charts app. Now I have data visualization tools that you can use. I just paste the data from the spreadsheet. I just select the variables that I want to visualize, and then I automatically get charts that work with the data that I just uploaded with different options. Let's just color by country, adjust the color palette, some titles. And now I can download it, export it, or save it to my library. And yeah, this is it. I hope you guys like it and follow us and help us improving datasketch.
Thank you, JP and David. I love it. It reminds me of a Tableau that I used to use but couldn't afford anymore because it was too expensive. And even more importantly, to tell people, because we've had people say like, hey, I've gotten here in 1 month or 3 months, but datasketch is a migration story over to Redwood. So you've been building a product in a company for years. You've migrated over to Redwood and done that incrementally. And my word, that's a fully featured application. And I highly recommend people, if you need to work with data of any kind, the workflow that JP showed you is really that simple. So I recommend people check it out. So thank you both.
Right.